question. The second question is, when will I start shortening my prayers? I mean, what if I left my home? There's a masjid next door. I go to the masjid. I've already left my home to go to, for example, Orange, 150 kilometers. It's a travel distance, right? So what if I left my home? I said, okay, it's Zohar time. Let me pray Zohar in the masjid. Then I'll leave. Will I pray two or not? When will this rule of shortening prayers be applied to me? That will be applied to me when I will leave the limits of my city. City is a huge city. How much do you think will be distance between East Sydney and West Sydney? 80-90 kilometers. So you can see that within the city, it's a travel distance from one end to the other end. So that does not make any sense. You're with that. I'm saying that you will start shortening once you leave the limits of the city. Here you are within the limits of Sydney. You're traveling 90 kilometers. In such huge cities like Sydney, like Melbourne, so what you consider is not the limits of Sydney, but the limits of the council that you live in. So once you leave the limits of your suburb, then you will become a traveler. So consider every suburb as a village or a town or a city. As soon as you will enter the next suburb and your intention is to travel 78 kilometers or more, and you intend to stay there for less than 15 days, consider yourself as a traveler and you will pray 2 rakats. So if you have to pray. Understood this point?